Hi, Mr. Gilberto Rodriguez from Gillybird. What is your story in a nutshell?
Basically a vagabond on a dirt road. Moved around a lot, went to school at night, and after working in the corporate sector, I decided to start my own business. It's been 3 years since we launched Gillybird, and we're going stronger than ever. I was living on my uncle's ranch, and I was going to night school, and so I ended up going to Boston for grad school. So it was a new experience. Got to work with startups. We launched a few. When I came back to LA, I ended up working for Brinks. And so after 5 years of doing the same transactions over time, I was just like, it's time for a change. So I quit my job and I launched Gillybird.
You look like a successful man.
I actually started Gillybird as a blog back in 2017. And little by little, I just kept growing it. I would write about startups that I worked in. When it came time to launch, I was like, you know what? I have it set and let's grow.
It sounds great. What does your Gillybird do?
We are a competitive intelligence and creative consulting firm. We do everything from market research, feasibility studies, to project management as a service, as well as visibility and representation, helping you establish the market, the marketing, and your brand visibility.
Which specific project are you working now?
As a business, we've had several projects in the works. We just finished one where we helped a company in Samoa set up a taxi business. We have another one where we just finished a product validation and feasibility study for a new financial product. And then we also currently were working with a nonprofit on helping establish their brand visibility through digital media.
That is interesting. From your perspective, what is the best way to grow your business in your niche?
Best way to grow any research business is to provide people with insights, real information on a real-time basis. People will always search what to do, what not to do. And so when you have the opportunity to present that information to them without them going deep in, that is when you're able to have that meaningful conversation. What do I need to do to enhance? What do I not need to do? Where can I change? Where can I not change?
Is that right? How you see AI wave shaping in the industry?
The AI wave shaping the industry has to go with the people. AI is basically a key part of research. I utilize it myself. Is it going to take over the market research industry, the intelligence industry? No, it's not. You're going to use it for tools, for data gathering, organization, but it's not going to make the direct effect where industry is going to do a complete change. Industry as a whole is growing. With technology, you have new markets opening up. So there's substantial growth there. The frustrating part is there's so much growth that it's untamed. And so you're basically fishing without a net, trying to understand the growth, because technology is going to take you in different directions that protocols have not even yet been established for the new markets. An example, Tesla with the driverless car. It's the first of its kind. We don't even know where that information is going to take us or how it's going to affect the actual research firm when they start building out the infrastructure.
Interesting. Do you have any final advice or wise words for our audience?
Yes, things are changing on a daily basis. Don't be afraid to take that random road, work with that random startup or company, and listen to that crazy idea. Those are the things that are going to drive the future.
All right.